Hey guys, Angel here today, and I'm gonna do a quick unboxing video today of some cool stuff I just picked up. And we'll get into that in just one moment. Alright guys, I'm back. Where should I start, man? I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4. And I have my handy dandy scissors. Or wait, here's a pull tab. Yep, didn't work. So I have my handy dandy scissors. And my scissors. Now let's see what's inside. What is it? 2022 Tuvalu. So we got the new Hera coin. This coin is limited to 13,500, and it's the 4th one in the series. So this is the 4th one in the series. So yeah, I think it started out with like Zeus, and then Poseidon, and then Hades, and now this one's Hera. Which I don't know. I feel like the first two, the design was like way better. Like the third one was Hades, and it almost looked like Hades was like sitting on the toilet. Sitting on the toilet. Sitting on the toilet. Alright, let's see what's in the next one. Let's get inside. Let's get inside here. Yo, gonna make me lose my mind up in here. Alright, what is it? It's a 2022 Niue. $1, and it's super proofy, but let's see what it is. Alright, it's the Apex Predator series, and it's super proofy, and there's limited to only 10,000. And this is like a series, I think it's like an Apex exclusive series, and they're basically going to do a series of the most dominant predators in the ecosystem. So basically, these guys are the top of the food chain in their system. So, I mean, which one's the top of the food chain? Is it the lion or the hyenas? I don't know. I guess they're tied or something. So there we go. We got those two. What do I have next? I have two more things to open. What do you think it can be? What do you think it's going to be? Let's find out. Let's find out. All right. Here we go. It's in another one. It's another one in the tube. All right, let's see. It's a 2022 Tuvalu. So we got Tuvalu. So what do you think it's going to be? I think it's going to be something super cool. It is. Check that out. It's a colorized Ryu. And these are limited to only 5,000. So only 5,000 people can have this awesome coin right here. And I really like it because it's actually colorized. It's like not the sticker. It's actually colorized. So you can still see like the embossment of everything. Yeah, the sticker kind of leaves me feeling a little flat. I do not like the sticker ones. I'm totally over the sticker ones. And let's see what, last but not least, I don't think I got a whole tube with these ones because I wasn't quite sure. I don't think it looks super good, but you know, I had to get some just to get some. So let's dump it out. Dump it out now. I'm going to cut it out now too. Cut it out now. It's a 2021 Niue Galaga 40th anniversary. So it's like the video game thing, man. And there's only 10,000 minted on this. So only 10,000 people can have this. The only reason I got less, I think I only got 10 of these, is because, I don't know, I'm just not really feeling it. I don't feel like it has, like, good details or anything. So, I just got it because, hey, I gotta get some. You know, I gotta, it's like the Pokemon. I gotta catch them all. So I got the 1981 Galaga 40-year anniversary, 10,000 minted. I got this cool colorized Ryu, which is only 5,000 on those. And then I got the Hera, which is the highest mintage. Got the Hera, which is the highest mintage of 13,500. But I mean, it's still low mintage. And then I got the Hyena and the Lion, which is 10,000. So, hey, let me know which one you like the best. Let me know, let me know. Let me know in the comments below. So if you liked it, please give me a likey. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.